told you're too much, too loud, too ambitious, too sensitive. So little by little, you started shrinking yourself. You made yourself smaller so no one else would feel insecure. You quieted your voice so theirs could be louder. You held back your dreams so no one would call you selfish. But here's the truth. You weren't born to take up less space. You weren't given gifts to hide them. Your light is not a mistake. Some people will be uncomfortable with your confidence, your joy, your success. But their discomfort is not your problem. It's their mirror. So stop dimming your light to make them comfortable. Stop shrinking your dreams to fit into their story. This world needs you at your full size, because the moment you stop apologizing for your power, you give others permission to stand in theirs too. So take up space, shine unapologetically, and never shrink again.